So in our next video here, we want to create a theme. Since we have global sass now, we also want to change the theme so we don't have to use this blue color and the specific ones they already have set up for everything. So navigate to the theme part, and you can go through all of this if you want to, but what we want really is this here. So you can actually just copy this if you want to and set this in. That's an easy way to do it. We're going to reuse some of this, but what we're going to change mainly is we're going to change the primary, we're going to change the secondary, and a few other things. Scroll back to your Visual Studio Code and expand your plugins up here and into the VueJS file. And I already cheated in here, as you can see, because I tested it and I forgot to delete it. Whoops! But as you can see here, this is what you see probably right now. So you have your Vuetify view up here, use Vuetify, and then your export here. And then after your icons, you just punch in theme, create an object, and then themes because there's more than one theme, there's light and dark, and the default one is light. That's why they want us to write this out. So once we do this, we can start implementing our own because it's set up for default for light. If we switches it to dark, it would no longer use this map here or these variables for the colors and so on. But copy this, paste it in so it's exactly the same as me. Remember, these are strings and they're separated by a comma. So copy this, save this, and then when you're done with this, pause the video until you're done. Go back to your app here and let's just do a quick test for this one. Since our shop here is already set up, I'm just going to remove these colors of the background black here, save. And I have a sort of weird echo in this room. And the color red here as well. Let's just delete this and hopefully don't break. Let's just scroll up back into our app here, and you can already see the colors of the toolbar up here. That's the indigo or whatever it's called in English. But let's switch this to one of our own. So in my Vuetify, I have one called orange. That's a specific color, and these colors are what I call color picker in the XD tools from the actual bagel background I had. So I think I used the fireplace to get the orange here, and bagels for the different other things, and so on and so on. So all these colors are picked from that actual image from a mood map of sorts. So go back in here and punch in orange here. Let's see if that changes the bar. So now we can actually still use the same standard HTML attributes to change colors and so on inside our app. We don't want the dark one. Go away. And that's cool, right? So we have this set up now. Now I also want to quickly do this and copy all of these and then go into my main CSS file, and I want to create a sass color, what do you call a sass map, where we just punch these in. So I can also use, because I want to use some CSS to create, for example, the boxes, the front boxes with the white edge and so on and so on. And I want to use some of these here, but I can't just, I haven't figured out yet, maybe you can, how to actually grab a specific set of color maps from within Vue's own theme. So I'm going to do this and just create my own called colors with a set. And these are not strings, so remember to remove these quotes here, single quotes, and so we have this, and oogly doogly, and we're done. Hopefully, no breaks, great. And Tony the Tiger is back. And cool, that's kind of what we want in this video. So we set up our main CSS. No, we're not. We already set that up, and we just changed our theme, so it's the correct theme we want to use, so we can start implementing that. We tested it, it works, it's orange, it's not awesome, let's just remove it so it's the standard color. And in the next video we are going to install these icons here, so it works instead of saying home and contact mail, we can actually see them. So see you in the next video.